What's my name? Bree.
Bree.
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
B-R-E-E. I think. Oh, you're right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so my title is Know Your Places Around Your Spaces, and it has to do with place value and estimation. And it is for second grade. And for each activity, I also did a different standard. So the first activity, the standard is count, read, and write whole numbers to 1,000 and identify the place value for each digit. So they'll have like a little container, I only did a few. And they'll just pick out a number and they'll have I don't know, just a regular paper to write on, and they either have to write it out in word form, if it's, like they have to do the opposite of whatever it's in. So number form it would be numbers. And all of their stuff will be turned into a file box that's on the counter with their name, like on a folder. My second activity is they're going to, the standard is use words, models, and expanded forms to represent numbers. So they're going to take the blocks, and what is this? So they're just going to think of like any numbers, and they're going to break them up into their, they're going to have a place value chart, and they're going to just put the correct pieces on like each one. So if it's like 432, they'll put 4 here, 3, and 2. My third activity is they're going to be like have a little shop set up. They're going to be using money. And the standard is solve problems using combinations of coins and bills. So they'll start off with a certain amount of money, and everything will cost like different amounts. So they'll just have to make sure they have enough to buy whatever it is, and then they'll turn it in. My fourth activity, the standard is order and compare whole numbers to 1,000 by using the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. And they'll have bags of Cheerios that they'll take back to their desk. They'll take 2. Well, they'll keep switching, and they'll count how many is in each one, and they'll say if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. And my fifth activity is just going to be an estimation worksheet that they'll just grab from the bottom. And the standard for that is find the sum or difference of 2 whole numbers up to 3 digits long. And then to know if each one of them did it, they'll just have little clippies with their names on it, and they'll just clip it next to each activity. That's it.